बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। जी, इस लेक्चर में हम कंप्लीट सिलेबस को कवर करने वाले हैं एनवायरमेंटल साइंस की। एनवायरमेंटल साइंस का जो फर्स्ट कंटेंट हमने पढ़ा था, हिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल थॉट, तो उसमें एनवायरमेंट एंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, हिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल मूवमेंट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल एंड एग्रीकल्चरल रिवॉल्यूशन, यूनाइटेड नेशंस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन ह्यूमन एनवायरनमेंट 1972, Our Common Future 1987, Rio Summit 1992, it's also called Earth Summit, Agenda 21, World Summit on Sustainable Development 2002, it's also called Rio Plus 10, and Millennium Development Goals, which is also called MDGs. The second topic is Sustainable Development Issues, Population Growth, Poverty, biodiversity loss and its conservation, energy security, urbanization and sustainable cities, carrying capacities, and ecological footprint, food security and sustainable agriculture, ecological restoration. The third main topic is interdisciplinary nature of environmental science, how environmental science is related to others field of sciences and arts. For example, orientation and convergence of various social and natural sciences to evolve a new discipline of environmental science. Environmental biology, environmental chemistry, environmental physics, environmental microbiology, environmental toxicology, environmental economics, environmental geology, environmental geography, environmental biotechnology, environmental sociology. The fourth one is environmental pollution, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, solid waste, waterlogging and salinity, deforestation, desertification, eutrophication, global and regional air pollution problems, greenhouse effect, global warming, climate change, ozone depletion, and acid rain. This topic is a little bit journal. We will study in detail, inshallah. This first one is climate change, how climate affects the regional and global scale. Different types of climate, including tropical and mid-latitude climate, polar climates, climate change processes, drivers and indicators of the climate change, effects of climate change on natural and societal system, carbon footprint, climate change adaptation and mitigation, CDM, global environmental politics on climate change, role of India, China, Russia, and USA. We will study these accord, Copenhagen Accord 2009, and we will study in detail environmental governance. What is policy, legal, and institutional frameworks for governance of environment in Pakistan? जी, पाकिस्तान में एनवायरनमेंट की प्रोटेक्शन के लिए मुख्तलिफ एक्ट नाफिज किए गए हैं, जिसमें से नेशनल कंजर्वेशन स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ 1992, नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल पॉलिसी एक्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान 2005, एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट ऑफ 1997, पाक एपा, it means Pakistan Environmental Protection Act Review, which to IEEE and EIA, Regulation 2000, Hospital Waste Management Rules 2005, Pollution Rules, Sample Rules, Solid Waste Management Plan 2005, Hazardous Substances Rule 2005, National Drinking Water Policy 2009, Sanitation Policy, National Climate Change Policy 2012. It means how Pakistan governs their environmental policy. Now, world global initiatives on world scale, what measures has been taken to preserve the environment? So there are different accords. We will study these different accords briefly. Um, for example, how the conservation of biological diversities and these all initiatives has been taken to preserve the environment. And now the last and least, environmental assessment and management, how these rules taken and how these rules will come into effect. For example, environmental impact assessment, strategic environment assessment, environment management system, ISO 14000. These are different codes of different management rules. Inshallah, we will these study these different these management systems in detail. In the first lecture, we have studied only the main 8 topics of the environmental science syllabus, and now in this we have studied a detailed syllabus. From the next lecture, we will start our first topic on environment and sustainable development.